Role of the government in health. Introduction. In this chapter, we will learn about malnutrition among people, such as food insecurity, contaminated drinking water, poor living, and working conditions. All this causes illness or bad health to people. What is health? Health means ability of a person to remain free of illness and injuries. One of the most important aspects of public health system is that it provides quality healthcare services either free or at lower cost so that even poor can get treatment. WHO, World Health Organization. According to WHO, health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. It is the responsibility of the government to provide better and quality healthcare services to all citizens. Government should take measures to improve drinking and cooking water quality and to keep surrounding and environment clean. By adopting these, many diseases can be prevented from getting spread. Factors affecting health. First, education. Major effects of lack of education include poor health, lack of a voice, shorter lifespan, unemployment, exploitation, and gender inequality. Second, income and lifestyle. People with lower incomes typically have less money to spend taking care of themselves, whether paying for visits to the doctor, medicine, or healthy food. Stress associated with a lower income, especially during childhood, increases risk for heart disease, stroke, cancer, and diabetes. Third, family size. We find an increase in family size increases sickness absence in the short run for higher educated men and women. In the long run, health is positively affected for lower educated women. Sickness absence, disability, and mortality risk are lower. Components of health facilities. The healthcare system may be viewed as a complex made up of three interrelated components. People in need of healthcare services called healthcare consumers. People who deliver healthcare services, the professionals and doctors called healthcare providers, and the systematic arrangements for delivering. Healthcare in India. India has a large number of doctors, clinics, and hospitals. India has experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. Public healthcare is a system of hospitals and health centers run by the government. Deteriorating healthcare system in India. India's healthcare system has not kept pace with the economic growth. India is still not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to people. Despite money, knowledge, and experience, necessary healthcare is not available to all. Healthcare in India. Public health services, private health services. Public health services are run by the government while private health services are managed by the individuals or companies. Public health services provide health care facilities either free or at a low cost so that even poor can seek treatment easily. Thus, money making is not a goal of public health services. So far, private health services are concerned. They are run mainly for profit. They usually prescribe expensive medicines. It is common for private doctors to prescribe unnecessary medicines, injections, or saline bottles when tablets or simple medicines can suffice. Public health services are found both in rural and urban areas, but private health services are concentrated in urban areas. We often find huge rush at the government hospitals. People have to wait for hours in a long queue, but private hospitals are maintained properly. People don't face such long queues there. Inequalities in healthcare. Gender and poverty were considered the structural determinants of health inequalities in maternal and child health. Poverty and education have been central to Indian public policy and health. Low rates of education among women was considered a major barrier in achieving health goals. Commercialization of healthcare. Commercialization of health sector in India. For a section of population which is not able to afford services of private hospital, it is the state's responsibility to provide them with basic healthcare services. Right to health. The Constitution of India incorporates provisions guaranteeing everyone's right to the highest attainable standard of physical and mental health. Article 21 of the Constitution guarantees protection of life and personal liberty to every citizen. According to Article 47 of the Indian Constitution, the state shall regard the raising of the level of nutrition and the standard of living of its people and the improvement of public health as among its primary duties, and the state shall prohibit the consumption of intoxicating drinks and drugs which are injurious.